Hey, Spencer here, and this is a quick video showing how to connect your phone system to your Salesforce account for automatic call logging. So I'm going to start off with this blank page here, Google. We've got the Chrome extension installed right here, and I've actually gone ahead and signed in already, so you can see that here. The first thing you're going to want to do is obviously pop open the Chrome extension and sign in. Once you're signed in, this will be the screen you see. If you click settings, you'll see call logging. There's a sub menu inside of settings, and you can come in here and turn on Salesforce. And what this is going to do is it uses single sign-in with Salesforce. So it'll open up your Salesforce account. We'll go ahead and click our account here. It's a sandbox account, and we're going to go ahead and just sign in here. And what this is actually going to do is send an API call back to the extension to confirm that you've successfully been logged in. Once that's done, what happens inside of the application is we pull your call history, inbound, outbound, basically all via API, including your missed. And then we look at your inbound and outbound calls. And anytime we see a DID that matches a DID inside of your Salesforce account, we'll automatically move that timestamp into Salesforce. So I'll go ahead and sign into Salesforce and show you what that looks like. So go ahead and click Salesforce here. Go ahead and sign in, which we already did through the single sign-in. And now we're inside of Salesforce. So let's go ahead and click a contact. In this example, we click Spencer. And inside of our account, so the way Salesforce works is you have an account, and then you have an opportunity, and then you can have contacts assigned both to the opportunities and the accounts. In this example, we're looking at the account of Loop with the contact Spencer, and here's the phone number and email and things like that. If you look on the right over here, now every Salesforce instance is customizable, so they can be different. You're going to see the activity tracker, and inside of this activity tracker, you will see calls logged with people. These are just the calls that Spencer had, so I can come in here and click and see it was an outbound call. So you can see the date, the time, the duration, and even the number he called. And this is actually reported twice. It's reported inside of the notes, and then it's reported inside of the fields. So you can actually go ahead and build call activity reports inside of Salesforce that you can report on. So you can report on inbound, outbound calls, date, time, duration, average talk time for a month, average talk time for a week, inbound calls for a week, outbound calls for a week, month, etc. Once you have all of the call data inside of the tool, you can actually see everything. You can start to create kind of call center style reports. One of the other cool things I like about Salesforce is if you go to the accounts level, you can actually see basically calls from an accounts level instead of the contacts. So you can say you had a call with Spencer, then you can see down here Bruce Buffer had a call with Spencer, and you can kind of track all the activity, inbound, outbound, date, time, duration, and once it's stored, it goes forever. So you can see this can actually keep loading back all the way back 2000. I think we have all the way back to 2019. So one of the cool things about this is once it's connected, it will auto log, assuming that the number inside of the CRM matches the number that comes through in the APIs. If the numbers don't match, no activity is logged. So we don't create records. All we do is update activity of existing records. So if you have any questions, shoot us an email, but that's how you connect Salesforce to your phone system.